Answering function transformations based on different kinds of transformations. Once again, our function dilation for a and b, right? For our function translation, going left or right, going up or down, when you add a number to your function, either inside the function itself or outside the function, whether there will be an x-axis or y-axis reflection on different types of key functions. In this case, we're going to deal with answering number, in this case, number 19, right? Let's read the instruction first on how to answer number 19, right? Let's read the instruction first for the following exercises.
For the following exercises, describe how the graph of the function is a transformation of the graph of the original function f.
Thank you. All right. So we have in here number 19. Right? So in this case, we'll be dealing with number 19. So we have the following: f of x plus 4 minus 1. So first of all, this minus 1 in here is what letter corresponding to our graphic organizer. Is it the A, B, the C, or the D? It's a number that's added to your function outside. D. D. Very good. So your D in here is negative 1. And once again, if we say D is negative 1, automatic, what kind of movement will that be? Down 1 unit, right? So D negative 1 meaning down 1 unit movement, all right? Very good. That is correct, right? Now, in this case, we also have this one, a plus 4 inside the function itself, the function f of x, right? So that plus 4, is it the A, the B, or the C corresponding from our graphic organizer? It's C. Very good. That is correct. So if this is your C being equal to positive 4, then what kind of movement will that be? Should that be the left movement or right movement? What do you think? Left movement, right? Very good. So if it's positive, then that means you move left. How many units? 4 units. Are we good? All right. So please do analyze the rest of those doing the same as well. Let's now try in here doing it graphically. All right. In this case, let's read the instruction first and how do we answer this question number 24, 25, or 26. And again, in here, we are given a graph already. You good? Go ahead. Let's read the number, the graphical part. Oops. Go ahead. Consider.
For the following exercises, use the graph of f of x equals 2 to the x power, shown in figure 31, to sketch a graph of each transformation of f of x.
Thank you. And in this case, let's try to deal with number 25. Let's color number 25 as gold, right? H of x is equal to 2x, or 2 to the x minus 3, right? So what's now the difference between 2 to the x and 2 to the x minus 3? What do you think is that minus 3? Is it the A, B, C, or D? D. D. Very good, right? So since this is added to your function, all right, a number added to your function outside the equation itself, or the what we call exponential equation, this is D negative 3. So that means, what kind of movement are we expecting? What kind of movement is that? D negative 3. Down 3 units, right? So this is moving down 3 units. And again, we're gonna draw in here a what? A draft, right? Just a rough draft of the graph. So from here, you see that point. Choose a y-intercept in this case, right? Right? Or some key feature of your graph. You go down 3 units, right? From here, 1, 2, 3. So that point will go here and roughly draw a graph that's almost similar to that. Then that basically is your h of x. Are we good? Right? As you may notice, it went down from that y-intercept 1 to y-intercept negative 2, right? And draw a rough draft of that exponential function. Are we good?